Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn basically we are doing Magento to assess your developer exam notes. So here we are just knowing what are the basic steps, what are the significant steps to add a new module. So what are the basic requirements to register a module that it will show and register into your Magento core. Okay. So first steps and the first important thing is the registration.php file, right? This is very important. After that there is module.xml in the etc folder. These two files are very important to register a module in Magento. Okay, so let's see. Currently if I go to my terminal and see here, there is no registration. It's say by writing this one that module is registered or not, right? So we are going to register a module. So first of all we need to create register.php. So here I'm going to my folder, right? This is my current folder. So I'm going to my this one. So here I'm going to create a new folder that's name is uh Prax Praxol here, and we are adding new folder custom, right? This is first one. This is your company name. This is your vendor module name that you want to add. And in this, you need to open a terminal and create a file touch registration register.php. Check what's the name exactly. Registration.php. Okay. Otherwise, you can just copy this one, right? So here, if I'm going to this Praxol custom, first file is registration.php. Another one, create a new folder etc, and here we need to paste module.xml. So I'm going to take etc module.xml. These two files we are going to add to register a module. Custom etc paste module.xml. Change this according to your, this is basically Rajnikant, this is Praxol, module name is Praxol, here underscore custom, right? Here you can define the version. Here is the sequence of the module: Magento checkout, sales rule, store code. Whether you want to add, you can add, otherwise it's not required. Okay? Module done. After this, registration composer.p this is done. And in registration.php, let's check if I suppose I not going to change it, it will not register it. So let's change it. So here I'm going to add tag soul, and here we are going to add a module name custom, right? So let's run the commands and check this module is registered or not. So let's make it compile. So it's done. Let's move to the upgrade that will register your module, and we can see I have the module Praxol custom. Now it's registered. See, this module is registered now. Now last command is deploy, and after this we have to run the permissions. This is the basic step to create a module or register a module, right? So let's explain in detail what exactly the terms. So registration.php file include by the composer autoload and added to the static list of components, right? This will add your list. Why we are declaring this? We have declared this, right? Component registrar. So we have to register this module in this one, right? So it is telling that one. Okay, so the file is included by the composer autoloader and it's added to the static list of components in Magento framework, right? So we have added this. This is basically the type, this is component name, and this is your directory path, right? Once the Magento has found this file, it will look into your etc module.xml. After it found this file, then it will go to the next process, that is module.xml. A component declare itself that defines its name and its existence. In module.xml, it defines the module, my module is this, and its setup version is this. So it defines, right? And the file is located in the module etc directory. The file specifies the loading sequence for the module and its setup version. So whenever you do some of the database upgradation or something else, you need to increase the setup version or module version, right? In order to module to work, right? So these files are required for registering any kind of module in Magento 2. Hope you understand the basic registration process in Magento 2. If you have any query in that, just let me know in the comment. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.